doll stuff, and I liked my Barbie, and I like my Cinderella stuff.
Cool. How about your special watch?
And I like my watch. It's 35.
Cool. Thank you, B.
You're welcome.
Hello, Dominic. Okay, Claire, what's your favorite things for Christmas?
All my Cinderella stuff, and do the dog. Actually, all the Boo stuff.
Boo the dog.
All the other stuff I got for Christmas.
Boo the dog. Let's see Boo the dog's face. We love Boo. Okay. What's your favorite things, Anna?
Well, to choose from.
With red icing.
Oh, I got one. My Happy Hamper that was Winnie the Pooh, my watch, and the candy, and my llama.
Okay, I love you.